Hello students, welcome to my channel. In this session, we will discuss a previous CAT question, a question on geometry on the concept of hexagon. Here comes the question. Can you please pause the video, make an attempt and then continue watching this. If the corners of an equilateral triangle are cut off to form a regular hexagon, find the ratio of the area of regular hexagon to the area of the original triangle. Right. Let's draw the diagram. If you take equilateral triangle, say A, B, C, it's equilateral triangle, all sides are equal. Let me say the side is A. Now, because it's equilateral triangle, all angles are also equal, so each angle is going to be 60 degrees. Now, the corners are cut off to form a regular hexagon. I cut the corner here, this corner is cut, this corner is also cut. If you see here D, E, F, G, H, I. So this D, E, F, G, H, I, this is going to be a regular hexagon. Regular hexagon means all sides are equal. Fine. Now, what is the external angle of a regular polygon? External angle of a regular polygon is 360 degrees by n, where n is the number of sides. So what is the external angle of a hexagon then? External angle of hexagon will be equal to 360 degrees by 6 because hexagon is 6 sides, that is 60 degrees. So if this is the hexagon, this is the external angle for hexagon 60 because we see this HG and all that is hexagon means this is the external angle, this is also external angle, it is 60. Or you can find the internal angle. Internal angle of a regular hexagon is 120. Again you have a formula. What is each interior angle of a regular hexagon? Each interior angle equals to 2n minus 4 into 90 by n. And here n is 6. If you apply this, you get each interior angle is 120, each external angle is 60. So now if you take this AHG triangle AHG, it is an equilateral triangle because all three angles are equal. So hence, your AH equals to HG. But you know, it's a regular hexagon means sides of all sides of hexagon are equal. So HG and HI are the sides of hexagon which are equal. So HG is equal to HI. But you know, again, if you look at, and HI is equal to ID again, because they are sides of hexagon. But if you look at this particular triangle BID, again this is an equilateral triangle. Why? Again the external angle is 60 degrees here, 60 degrees here. It is equal means your ID is going to be BI. If you observe this, AH is equal to HG because it's equilateral triangle. HG is equal to HI because it is part of hexagon. Similarly, HI is equal to ID because they are also sides of hexagon. ID equals to IB because they are sides of equilateral triangle. From this, what I can say, AH equals to HI equals to BI means AH equals to HI equals to BI means these three are equal parts. We assumed the side of equilateral triangle as A, so hence the side of this hexagon is going to be A by 3. Side of hexagon is A by 3. Now we want to find the ratio of the area of the hexagon. Now we want the area of hexagon to area of the original triangle. Area of the triangle. You know, area of hexagon formula is 6 into root 3 by 4 into side square. What is side? A by 3 whole square. And what is the area of equilateral triangle? You know, area of equilateral triangle is root 3 by 4 into side. What is side here? We assume A square. You can see root 3 by 4 gets cancelled. 6 into A square by 9 is to A square means A square gets cancelled. 2 2's to 3's means 2 by 3 is to 1. In other words, 2 is to 3. So, area of hexagon to area of equilateral triangle is 2 is to 3. This is my answer. This is one way of explaining. Another way of explaining this will be, students, you know, you have, this is an equilateral triangle, this is an equilateral triangle, this is equilateral triangle. And you know the side of this small triangle and side of hexagon is same. And you know hexagon can be divided into 6 equilateral triangles. Why we get the formula of hexagon as 6 into root 3 by 4 into side square? Because a hexagon can be divided into 6 equilateral triangles. it can be divided into 6 equilateral triangles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So hexagon is 6 equilateral triangles, and the side of this small triangle here and this is same. So that means your given triangle ABC now has 9 small triangles, whereas hexagon is, your hexagon DEFGHI is having how many triangles? 6 small triangles. So the ratio is 6:9, 2:3. That is another way of explaining this. Without writing the formulae, we can simply say that the hexagon has got 6 equilateral triangles. The given triangle will have 6 plus 3, 9 triangles. So the ratio is 2:3. Right? So this is a very good question. Thank you.